and you guys actually caught me in the middle of shopping for the biggest meal of my life. Like a flavor bomb in your mouth.
See the way she said drizzle?
Roasted cauliflower.
I wanted it.
You lit off that screen.
The newest member of the Food Network family is Amber!
Make your mark on the world.
My name is Amber, and this is how I make my mark. When I was in 2nd grade, I got teased because I had healthy lunches.
A culinary wizard is a 12-year-old Amber Kelley.
Today I have an Oscar-worthy dish.
Look at
this is dark chocolate coconut black hole fondue.
Can we just see the next broadcaster in action right now? You have a whole other career outside of cooking, I think.
And some of you might even start your own online cooking show. Maybe. Maybe you'll start making appearances on local TV newscasts. I know some of you have already started doing that. Like Amber Kelley, our winner from Washington State. You've been making the TV rounds, huh? Pretty spectacular.
I don't get goosebumps that often. I could not tell you one thing right now that I would like you to do better than that.
You're just a total natural in front of a camera.
Come on, man. That is way better than I thought you were going to be. Okay, you can stop now. You've made your point. Clearly, she's a lot better than most of the team out the back. They're all going, I can't believe. Okay.
Actually, what we do at home is we go like this. See,
Yeah, I'm down with that too, in Essex. Yes, I am.
Amber Kelley!
Your very first cooking segment, you were so nervous.
I was terrified.
How old were you?
I was 9, and I actually remember this really clearly. It was Wednesday, and my birthday was on Friday, so I was almost 10. I was almost 10.
I'm a vanilla person.
Get out of here.
No, I can't do just plain chocolate ice cream. It's
I can't do plain vanilla.
Vanilla all the way.
Dang.
People, which ice cream do you like better, vanilla or chocolate?
Chocolate.
Where's the ice cream? Look at this, it's
Look at the chocolate. Don't
Ew,
even
no,
play.
it's like poop.
I'm Amber Kelley, Food Network star kid, and I have the honor of cooking with the chef, Alex Cornicelli.
I'll see you later.
All right, yeah, no, I'm going with you. Bye, thank you.